Good afternoon, family, and happy Labor Day weekend to all of you guys. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderfully safe time wherever you guys are at in this beautiful world that we live in. Barbecuing, maybe throwing some steaks on the grill, some carne asada, hot dogs, hamburgers, who knows. Hopefully, you guys are having a great time with your loved ones, guys. This is your boy, Hamajin. I'm about to drop you a video right now on this Labor Day Sunday to break you off the latest and greatest in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. Guys, we're going to dive into some Doge news and a little bit of overall crypto news. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can help your boy out with some likes, maybe some comments down below, or maybe hit that subscription bell, or don't do any of those and just watch my channel as a viewer. I appreciate that as well. Guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, guys, your boy is ready to break you guys off with the latest and greatest. So you guys ready? Well, sit back, get your drink, maybe smoke your blunt, or do whatever it is you're doing, and let's get it, baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is up 4%. We're sitting at $51,867 with 39 cents, guys. Obviously, we have broke that 50K level of resistance. Hopefully, we'll continue to push up, guys. This is looking good, baby. You know what I mean? The bull run hasn't stopped. A lot of people think it has. But in my opinion, man, Bitcoin's going to continue to go up, in my opinion, right? Might have some bad days here and there, but nonetheless, it's going to continue to go up. Enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into the main superstar of my channel. That is yours truly, Dogecoin. Guys, we're sitting at 31 cents. Guys, there are some bullish technicals. We're going to look at that here in a second when we get into the charts. We are at 31 cents. We're up 0.80% for the day. We had a 24-hour high of 29 cents and a 24-hour high of 31 cents. Our market cap is at 41.41 billion. So we are up from yesterday, and our volume is at 2.40 billion dollars. Pretty much the same as far as volume goes. So enough of the stats. Now let's get into the bullish technicals right here that I got for you guys. I wanted to show you right here, okay, guys? So this is a daily chart, okay? We got a lot going on here. Let me get myself out of the way. Let me open this up. Excuse my drawing if it's not the greatest, guys. Let me get rid of this white line here. Okay, guys. So we're going to talk about support first, okay, guys? So as you can see, this red line here, okay? That is the 21-day moving average, okay, guys? And that is acting as our support now. As you can see, yesterday we broke past it, and we've been up past it for 2 days now. So this is going to be currently our new level of support at the 21-day moving average, sitting at 30 cents, guys. Okay, that is the new support, 30 cents. We have breached and we broke past, because this was acting as our resistance, guys, this 21-day moving average. As you can see, a couple days ago, we tested it 3 days in a row, actually 4 days in a row, and we failed. But like I always say, the more you test resistance, the more and more it gets weaker, and eventually it leaves it vulnerable. And as you can see, Doge broke through resistance, and now we are sitting above. We flipped the trend and made it our support. Okay, guys, so now we got a couple bullish technicals that we're going to get into. One is that we flipped the trend, made our resistance to support. That is a bullish technical. Now, as you can see, I have a wedge here, okay? This is what you call a falling wedge, okay? Now, we have broke out of this falling wedge to the upside. As you can see now, for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now, we have broken out of this falling wedge to the upside. And that is another bullish technical, right, guys? So, you know, it could have went either way, guys, right? When we broke out of this falling wedge, we could have broke to the upside or to the downside. But around 80% of the time when there is a falling wedge, that is bullish, right? And especially when you break to the upside, which we did, that is extremely bullish, right? So now I truly believe Dogecoin is preparing and getting ready and primed for a major breakout to the upside. Now, our resistance, guys, is at 34 cents. As you can see, I have a white line right here, okay, guys? Now, if you look to the left here, where we have this pretty big here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me get my squiggly line. Okay, so right here, see if I can, right here, guys, okay? As you can see right there, those 2 days, right, we had tested 34 cents and we got rejected, right? And we got smacked down. So 34, that's why 34 cents is our level of resistance, okay, guys? But nonetheless, we broke out of this falling wedge right here, and we broke to the upside, right? Not to the downside. So that is bullish, right? So we have a couple bullish things. Like I said, we flipped the trend, made resistance to support, and we broke out of this falling wedge to the upside. things are looking really good, guys, for Doge when it comes to the technicals, right? So hopefully that was useful for you guys. Hopefully I didn't confuse you there with those technicals. Like to keep it pretty beginner friendly when it comes to the technicals. So any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll gladly answer them as soon as I can. All right, now let's get into this article here, guys. Where is my picture at? Okay, where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? Here I am. Now, it says, here I go. Now it says, crypto analysts on Dogecoin, it's not a question if it will hit $1, it's when, right? There's a lot of analysts, guys, crypto analysts that are bullish on Dogecoin. Now, it says earlier today, September 5th, prominent crypto analyst and trader Scott Meeker, aka the Wolf of Wall Street, he's a very well-known guy, guys, said that he expects the price of Dogecoin to get back to 35 cents in the very near future. Meeker's short-term price target for Doge is based on the technical analysis of Doge USD price targets. Right, see how he has it right here too, guys. Falling wedge. Now it says Doge looks ready to alleviate back to 35 cents. And I agree, right? Now it says another crypto analyst, Justin Bennett, told his over 66,000 Twitter followers that if they already own Doge, they should keep holding and not give up on it. Exactly, guys. You can't give up, man. It's going to surprise you when you least expect it. Bam! Now it says, staying patient with the second half of my position from the 27th. Patient is key if you aren't already in either dips at 29 or reclaim 31 cents. That's how I'd approach it if I weren't already in. In other words, guys, he's saying if it dips to like 29 cents, you know what I mean, maybe buy the dip at 29 cents. But basically what he's saying is getting prime and ready to break to the upside majorly. And I agree as well. However, one person who is a lot more bullish on Doge than either Scott Meeker or Justin Bennett is crypto analyst, influencer, altcoin Sharpea, who seems to believe that in the medium term, the Doge price is headed to over $1. He says it's not a question of if Doge will hit $1, it's when. All right, then he's showing you some technicals there, guys. It says one popular synonymous Dogecoin analyst and influencer sent out a tweet to his over 183,000 followers that essentially said that if you believe in the passion of the Dogecoin community and Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk's fondness for Dogecoin, then it is hard to not be bullish on Doge. Buying Dogecoin is like making a bet on the Doge community and Elon Musk. No brainer. Now it says cryptocurrency social media analyst platform Lunar Crush said earlier today that Dogecoin was the #1 meme-based cryptocurrency by social volume in the preceding 24 hours, right? Then he goes to show you. It says according to data by TradingView on crypto exchange Bittrex, currently as of September 5th today, it says Dogecoin /USD is trading around 31 cents, up about 3.56% in the past 24-hour period. And the year-to-date period, Doge is up an incredible 6,500%. Guys, if you would have invested in the beginning of the year, of this year, January, and you have till now, from when it hit its all-time high, and then it dipped, what, like 76%, I believe is what it was, you would still be up a whopping 6,500%. Just think about that. If you would have put $500, $1,000 back in January, you would have been up 6,500% in profit. That is a huge return, guys. Huge return, guys. Huge return. I'm just excited, guys, because we got this bullish technicals coin for Doge. You know what I mean? And I just truly think that we're getting primed and ready for the breakout. And especially that Bitcoin has broke 50K. Now we're almost at 52K. Yeah, things are looking good, baby. Things are looking good for Dogecoin. Well, guys, that is what I had for you as far as Dogecoin news goes. Now let's get into some overall crypto news, and it's regarding Bitcoin. Now it says Bitcoin lying in the wait. It says, although the price of Bitcoin remains relatively stable, there is reason to believe a major breakout is imminent. And I agree, right? It says last week in Bitcoin, a series of discussion. Oh, no, not that there. It says, now let's get into it. It says bullish news, right? Now they're giving you some reasons on why they think Bitcoin is going to smash up. Now it says on Monday, the Bitcoin network set a record with over 8 billion in weekly transaction volume recorded, a remarkable milestone as Bitcoin approaches the 1 trillion market cap market again. On Tuesday, El Salvador's Democratic Assembly approved the country's 150 billion Bitcoin trust ahead of the national officially implementing Bitcoin as legal tender earlier next week. The launch will see each citizen receive $30 in Bitcoin through the country's dedicated Chivo wallet, with 200 ATMs to be installed across the country. Also on Tuesday, Genesis Digital Assets was offered an option from Canon to purchase 200,000 Bitcoin miner rigs. The firm acquired 20,000 rigs from Canon with the option to purchase an additional 180,000. Genesis currently accounts for 2.4% of the global Bitcoin hash rate, and that portion could increase nearly tenfold by 2023. On Wednesday, says Belarusian President Alexander whatever is urged citizens to mine Bitcoin with the country's excess electricity instead of seeking low-earning jobs abroad, as more countries push forward incentives to welcome miners to their shores. Belarus may end up doing the same to the benefit of the Eastern European nation's economy. Also on Wednesday, leading Bitcoin rewards app Fold announced that it has partnered with OpenNode to operate fully on the Lightning Network by 2022, paving the way for the fast and affordable payments in Bitcoin. Wednesday also saw Bitcoin superfan and U.S. Secretary Chairman Gary Gensler speak to the European Parliament about Bitcoin, says, noting that how the network operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and across borders. He said that the innovation has been and could continue to be a catalyst for change in the fields of finance and money, and I think the transformation we're living through right now could be every bit as big as the internet in the 1990s. And I've been telling you guys that almost on every single one of my videos, guys, that this is the beginning stages of DeFi, of cryptocurrency. I've been telling you guys, if you don't believe me, check my videos. Gary Gensler, guys, the U.S. Secretary SEC Chairman is saying the same thing. What I'm getting at, guys, is major money can be made, guys, if you guys hodl and hold on, but you got to wait 5-10 years, guys, and it will pay off. Mark my words. I'm excited, guys. Now it says, rounding off Wednesday's busy day in Bitcoin, some leaks were shared off Twitter. It says beta testing a Bitcoin tipping service in partnership with Lightning payment app Strike, which would later be confirmed by the company's product lead. This follows on remarks from CEO Jack Dorsey in July that Bitcoin would be implementing for tipping super followers, commerce, and subscriptions. On Thursday, Vast Bank became the first chartered bank in the U.S. to offer Bitcoin services, guys. This is huge for major adoption, since customers will be able to buy and sell Bitcoin directly from the FDIC insured checking account, while its Bitcoin custody solutions include a mobile trading platform with instant settlement to its account. Also on Thursday, Franklin Templeton, an investment manager with over 1.5 trillion in assets under management and operating in 34 countries, across the globe, published a job listing in Lincoln looking for a research analyst in cryptocurrency. Bullish much? Late on Thursday, this is for the whole week, guys, that just passed. It says US-based e-commerce platform Shop.com became the latest retailer to accept Bitcoin payments. It says courtesy of partnership with crypto payments platform BitPay. Guys, that was a whole mouthful, right? Guys, I was trying to spit it out as fast as I can. You know what I mean? That was just some of numerous of positive catalysts for the near and foreseeable future for Bitcoin and the overall crypto markets. Guys, I'm just excited because Dogecoin has broke out of this fallen wedge to the upside, right? And we flipped trend. Things are looking good for Doge and the overall crypto markets, with Bitcoin almost at 52K. This is what your boy had for you on this Labor Day weekend on Sunday. Hopefully you guys stay safe, don't get too drunk, or whatever it is that you do. Have fun, but do it in moderation. I'm not your daddy, guys. Do whatever you want. Stay blessed, stay safe. Until tomorrow, your boy's out. Peace.